you're experiencing audio desync issues in Valorant, this guide will help you troubleshoot and resolve the problem quickly. Follow these steps to improve your gaming experience. Step 1. Check audio settings. Ensure that your audio settings in Valorant are configured correctly. Go to the settings menu and verify that the correct audio output device is selected. Adjust the volume levels and ensure that any enhancements are turned off. Step 2. Update audio drivers. Outdated audio drivers can cause desync issues. Visit the website of your audio device manufacturer or use the driver update tool to ensure you have the latest drivers installed. Restart your computer after updating. Step 3. Disable exclusive mode. Sometimes, exclusive mode can lead to audio problems. Right-click on the speaker icon in the system tray, select Sounds, go to the Playback tab, right-click your audio device, select Properties, and under the Advanced tab, uncheck Allow applications to take exclusive control of this device. Step 4. Adjust game mode settings. Windows game mode can interfere with game performance. Go to Windows Settings, select Gaming, and toggle off game mode. This can help reduce latency and improve audio synchronization. Step 5. Lower graphics settings. High graphics settings can strain your system and cause audio desync. In Valorant, go to the Settings menu, lower the graphics settings, and see if this improves the audio performance. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve audio desync issues in Valorant. Enjoy your improved gaming experience.